Have you ever wanted to share a song or a playlist but didn't know how to quickly send it to your friends? Or maybe you've seen someone else share a cool Spotify code and wondered how they did it. Don't worry, I got you covered. So first, open the Spotify app and choose a song, choose an album, or choose a playlist that you want the code for. Then, click the three dots and select Share. After that, simply tap Copy Spotify link and you're almost there. Next, you can use the Spotify code generator website or app to turn that link into a code. It's super easy. You can also scan codes from other people by tapping the search bar and choosing the camera icon. You can use the Spotify code to share music with friends quickly and easily. It's perfect for creating music sharing moments. Feeling inspired? Take action now and start sharing your favorite music with the world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video. Love ya. Ciao.